Afternoon, student. Welcome to our next lecture of English of Standard First. Today we will revise Module 1 and Module 2. In the last lecture, we have revised Unit number 1, Poem number 11, Number Song and Picture Reading. Today we will revise Module 1 and Module 2. All of you open this workbook. So first we will begin with the revision of module number 1. We have learned in module number 1 about naming words, special name and common name. What we have learned in module number 1? We have learned about naming words, special name and common name. Naming words given to a place, animal or a thing. A naming word is the name given to a person, place, animal or a thing. Naming words are the names for everything that we see around us. Naming words are the names for everything that we see around us. For example, name of a person, place, animal and thing. In this picture, you can see first picture is of a child, of a girl. So girl is a naming word. Second picture is of a school. So school is a naming word given to this kind of place. Third picture is of an elephant. So elephant is the naming word given to this kind of animal. And the fourth picture is of shoes. So shoes is the naming word given to this object. So naming words are the names given to person, place, animal or thing. For example, in a home, parents, the mother and father are our parents. So mother and father is the naming word given to your parents. Next one is place, school, park. They are the name given to a place. So they are also naming words. Animals like cow, dog, elephant, lion, tiger. These all are the names given to animals. So these all words are also naming words. Things like table, chair, door, window. These are all naming words given to objects. So they are also names of different objects. So they are also called as naming words. Here you can see picture of an animal. It is a dog. So dog is the naming word given to this kind of animal. Next picture is of an umbrella which we use when it rains. So umbrella is the naming word given to this kind of an object. The third picture is of a park where children go to play. It is also a naming word given to a place. So park is a naming word. Fourth picture is of a boy and a girl. Boy and a girl is naming word given to these children. So they are also naming words. And the next picture is of a bird. Bird is also a naming word given to this kind of a living thing. So mother, father, school, book, table, cow, hen, all these are naming words given to person, place, thing, and animal. Mother and father are the name given to your parents. So they are also naming words. School is a place where you go to learn new things. So school is also a naming word. Book and table are also objects. They are also the name given to objects. So book and table are also naming things. Similarly, cow and hen are the name of animals. So they are also naming words. Students, I hope you have understood what are naming words. Now we will see what is a common noun or what is a common name. A common name is a general name that is used for naming a place, animal, or thing. Common names begin with small letters. Example, girl, city, chocolate. A common name is a general name that is used for naming a place, animal, or thing. Common names begin with small letters. Example, girl, city, and chocolate. Common name, students, is the general name given to a person, place, animal, or a thing, and it always begins with small letters. Next thing is special name. A special name is the name given to a special person, place, animal, or thing. Special names always begin with capital letters. Example, Rima, New Delhi, Dairy Milk. A special name is the name given to a special person, place, animal, or thing. Special names always begin with capital letters. Example, Rima, New Delhi, and Dairy Milk. Students, special name is a special name given to a person, place, animal, or a thing. Here, see, Rima is a special name given to a girl. Similarly, New Delhi is a special name given to a place. And Dairy Milk is a special name given to a chocolate. So all these are special names. And special names always begin with capital letters. See, here this is a picture of a mountain. What is the first picture? It is a picture of a mountain. Down, you can see picture of a tree. It is a picture of a tree. Here, this is a picture of hospital. Down, you can see picture of a vegetable. You can see a picture of a hospital and picture of a vegetable. See here, the name of this mountain is Mount Everest. Earlier we saw that was a picture of just a mountain, but Mount Everest is the special name given to this mountain. Mount Everest is the special name given to this mountain. So Mount Everest word is the special name and mountain is a common name. Why mountain is a common name? Because mountain can be any mountain, isn't it? Okay. Mountain is a common name because there are so many kinds of mountains. So mountain is a common name and Mount Everest is the special name because Mount Everest is the special name given to this kind of mountain. This is a mango tree. This is a mango tree. In this sentence, students, tree is a common name because trees means it can be any type of tree. For example, apple tree, chiku tree, orange tree. Okay, but mango is the special name given to this kind of tree. So mango is a special name given to this type of tree. So mango word is a special name and tree is a common name. Mango is the special name given to this kind of tree. So mango word is a special name and tree word is a common name. This is city hospital. We have seen this picture earlier. It is a picture of a hospital. But we were not knowing the name of the hospital. See now, the name of the hospital is given. This is city hospital. Hospital word is a common name because hospital can be any kind of hospital. We see so many kinds of hospital around us, but city word is the special name given to this kind of hospital. So city word is the special name given to this kind of hospital. So city word is a special name and hospital word is a common name. City is the special name given to this type of hospital. So city word is a special name and hospital is a common name. The name of this vegetable is lady finger. The name of this vegetable is lady finger. Students, this is almost the favorite vegetable of all the children, isn't it? We all know the name of this vegetable very well. What is his name? It is lady finger. Vegetable word is a common name because vegetable means it can be any vegetable. For example, brinjal, potato, radish, carrot. Okay. So vegetable is a common word. So vegetable is a common name, but lady finger is the special name given to this kind of vegetable. So lady finger word is a special name. Lady finger is the special name given to this kind of vegetable. So lady finger word is a special name and vegetable means it can be any kind of vegetable. So vegetable is a common name. Next sentence. Here you can see a picture of a dog. This is a dog. His name is Rex. Students, see here a picture of a dog is given and the name of the dog is Rex. Dog word is a common name because dog means it can be any kind of dog. There are so many dogs, isn't it? So dog is a common word. So dog is a common name, but Rex. Rex is the special name given to this dog. So Rex is a special name. Dog is a common name because students, dog means it can be any kind of dog. So dog is a common name, but Rex is a special name because Rex is the special name given to this dog. So Rex is the special name. This is Ryan International School. This is Ryan International School. This is a picture of a big school. And what is the name of this school, students? It is Ryan International School. Okay. School is a common word because school means it can be any kind of school. Okay. There are so many schools we can see all around us. So school is a common word. So school is a common name, but Ryan International is the special name given to this school. So Ryan International is the special name. I will repeat it again. Ryan International is the special name because Ryan International is the special name given to this school. So Ryan International is the special name, but school means it can be any kind of school. So school is a common name. Students, so this was what we have learned in module number 1. I hope you have understood what we have learned in module number 1. I will make a quick revision once again, okay, before we move to module number 2. Sorry. In module number 1, we have learned about naming words. A naming word is the name given to a person, place, animal, or a thing. Naming words are the names for everything that we see around us. For example, name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. Okay, see your picture of mother, father, school, book, table, cow, and hen are given. Mother and father are the naming words given to your parents. School is a naming word given to a place where you go to learn new things. Book is used to learn. So book is also a naming word given to this kind of object. And table is the name given to this kind of object. So table is also a naming word. And cow and hen are also the name of these animals. So they are also called as naming words. Then we have learned about common name. A common name is a general name that is used for naming a place, animal, thing. Common names begin with small letters. Example, girl, city, chocolate. Common name is a general word given to any person, place, animal, or thing, and it always begins with small letters. Special name. Special name is the name given to a special person, place, animal, or a thing. And special names always begin with capital letters. Example, Rima, New Delhi, and Dairy Milk. Here we have seen picture of mountain, tree, picture of hospital, vegetable. So the name of this mountain is Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the special name given to this mountain. So Mount Everest is a special name. Mountain can be any mountain. So mountain is a common name. This is a mango tree. Tree word is a common word. It can be any tree. So tree is a common name. But mango is a special name given to this type of tree. So mango word is a special name. This is a city, hospital. Hospital can be any hospital. So hospital word is a common name, but city is the special name given to this hospital. So city is a special name. The name of this vegetable is lady finger. Vegetable can be any vegetable. So vegetable word is a common name, but ladyfinger is the special name given to this type of vegetable. So ladyfinger is a special name. This is a dog. His name is Rex. Dog can be any dog. So dog word is a common name, but Rex is the special name given to this dog. So Rex word is a special name. This is Ryan International School. School can be any school. So school is a common name, but Ryan International is the special name given to this type of school. So Ryan International is a special name. Students, so with this we finish with the revision of module number 1. Now we will start with the revision of module number 2. Give me few minutes, students. Now we will begin with the revision of module number 2. We will begin with the revision of module number 2. Students, do you remember what we have learned in module number 2? In module number 2, we have learned about the names of different shapes, isn't it? This is a triangle. This picture is of a triangle. What is the spelling of triangle? It is Triangle. 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 What are the things, students, that we see that are in triangle shape? See, this is a piece of a pizza. Pizza, when you cut it into pieces, each piece can be cut into a shape of a triangle. So this is a shape of a triangle. And next picture is of a hanger. Hanger is used to hang clothes. So this hanger is also in the shape of a triangle. Next shape is square. This is a picture of a square. What is the spelling of square? It is Square. Square. It is Square. And what are the things, students, that we see that are square in shape? First is carom board. Carom board is used by children to play indoor games. So carom is in the shape of a square. Next is of a dice. Dice is used when you play games like Ludo. So dice is also in the shape of a square. Then ice cubes. Ice cube is also in the shape of a square. This is a shape of a circle. What is the spelling of circle? It is Circle. 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 And what are the things that are in circle shape? full moon. You can see full moon that is in the shape of circle. Then coin. Coin means it can be any coin. 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, all are in the circle shape. Then sun. Sun is also in the circle shape. Circle shape means students round shape. Then here, pizza, the full pizza. Full pizza is also in the shape of a circle. Then football. Football is also in the shape of a circle. Students, here I have shown you the picture of football, but any ball is in the shape of a circle or round shape. The next shape is rectangle. What is the spelling? It is RECTANGLE, rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. And what are the things, students, that we see that are in rectangle shape? Blackboard. Blackboard is the the shape of a rectangle. Then a 10 rupee note. You all must have seen 10 rupee note is also in the shape of a rectangle. Then your TV. Your TV is also in the shape of a rectangle. Then your mobile phone, in which you are just now attending your online lecture, is also in the shape of a rectangle. In this lesson, we have learned about 4 naming words. They are SEVEN 7, EIGHT 8, SIXTEEN 16, TWENTY 20, TWENTY 20. Now, students, we will learn about capital letters, full stop, and question mark. Capital letters. A sentence always starts with a capital letter. Special names always begin with capital letters. Always use a capital letter for the word I. When the word I comes alone, you will always write that I in capital only. And special names will always begin with capital letters, and a sentence will always start with a capital letter. Example, my pet cat and I went to Hyderabad. Students, here the first word of the sentence is my. So M word is in capital because M is the first letter of the sentence. And at the end, you can see full stop is there. And Hyderabad word, Hyderabad is a special name given to a place. So Hyderabad word is also beginning with a capital letter. And you can see I word is also in capital. Okay. Next sentence, Anjali and I go to school. Anjali is a special name given to a girl. So Anjali is beginning with a capital letter, and Anjali word is also the first word of the sentence. So it is also beginning with capital letter A, and you can see I word is written in capital. And children, school is a common word for any type of school. So school word is beginning with a small letter. Here the name of the school is not given to us. So school is a common name. So school word is beginning with a small letter S. The first sentence, the first word was my. So M is the capital letter because every sentence should start with the capital letter. So M is written in capital. Hyderabad is the special name of a place. So it is also written in capital letter. And I is also written in capital because I word, when it is alone, it will always be written in capital only. Now, full stop. We have to put full stop at the end of sentence. For example, my name is Bela. My name is Bela. This is a simple sentence. So we have put full stop at the end of the sentence. You can see a small dot is there. That small dot is called as full stop in English. So whenever a sentence is complete, we have to put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Second sentence, I will play today. This is also a simple sentence. So we have put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Sentence is complete. I will play today. So at the end of the sentence, we have to put full stop. Full stop is put, students, at the end of the sentence. We are not supposed to put full stop anywhere in the middle. Okay. When a sentence is complete, near to the last word, next to the last word, we have to put the full stop. Okay. Next is question mark. This mark is used at the end of all questions. This mark is used at the end of all questions. Okay. Example, what is your name? What is your name? Students, what is a question first of all? It means that we are asking something. We are asking something, that means it is a question. So at the end of every question, you should put a question mark. At the end of every question, you will put a question mark. And at the end of every sentence, you will put a full stop. Similarly, at the end of every question, you will put a question mark. How are you? This is also a question. So we have put a question mark at the end of the question. You can see these signs are put at the end of the sentence. How are you? You is the last word of the sentence. And next to you, we have put the sign question mark over there because the question is complete over there. Okay. So question mark is put at the end of all questions. Circle the words that should start with capital letters. Add full stop to the sentence. Raja and Rohit are best friends. Students, here Raja and Rohit are best friends. Here Raja and Rohit are the name, special name of two boys. So we have to circle them. Okay, Raja and Rohit I have circled because they are the special name of two boys and they should start with capital letters. I will go to school on Monday. Monday is the special name of a day of a week. So Monday word should begin with capital letter M. So I will circle Monday. Okay. I word should also start with capital letter because it is the first letter of the sentence. Next, rose is the flower I like the most. Rose is the flower I like the most. Students, rose is the special name of a flower. So rose word should begin with a capital letter R. So I am circling the word rose, and it is also the first letter of the sentence. So it should start with capital letter R. So I have circled the word rose. And I should begin with capital letter. Okay. Next sentence. Kiran lives in Kerala. Now, Kiran is a special name of a person and Kerala is a special name of a place. So these two are special names. So we have learned earlier that special names should always start with capital letters. So we will circle both Kerala and Kiran. Okay. And Kiran is also the first word of the sentence. So it should also begin with the capital letter K. So we have circled Kiran for two reasons. Why? First is it is the special name of a person. For that, we have circled the word Kiran, and it is also the first word of the sentence and it should start with a capital letter. So we have circled the word Kiran. Add full stops or question marks. Where are Neha and Pooja? I like going to school. See, where are Neha and Pooja? It is not a sentence, students. We are asking something. So it is a question. So we have put a question mark at the end of the question. Okay. I like going to school. It is a simple sentence. So we have put a full stop at the end of this sentence. How are you? Sonu plays cricket. How are you is a question. So we have put a question mark at the end of the question, and Sonu plays cricket is a sentence. So we have put a dog named Bruno. Do you have a pet? My name is Amay. Students, my word is the first word of the sentence. So it should start with the capital letter M. Amay. Amay is the special name of a person. So it is also beginning with the capital letter. And I've already said that I word, when it is alone, it will always be written in capital letter. And Bruno is a special name of a dog. It's a special name given to a dog. So it is also beginning with the capital letter B. And do you have a pet? It is not a sentence, students. It is a question. So we have put a question at the end of it. Okay, have you understood this? My word is written in capital. M is written in capital because it is the first letter of the sentence. First letter of the sentence should always begin with the capital letter. I word is always written in capital. Okay. See here, you have to join the numbers and you have to make one animal, and you had to write some sentences about it. Okay, what are the sentences that we can write? I see a cat. It has 2 ears. It is white in color. It is very cute. It has a long tail. Students, in all this sentence, you can see the first letter of all sentences are beginning with a capital letter. First letter of all sentences are beginning with capital letter. And these are all simple sentences. So you can see after the sentence is complete, we have put a full stop. After the sentence is complete, we have put a full stop. Okay. I see a cat. I is written in capital and full stop is put at the end of the sentence. It has 2 ears. It is written in capital letter I. Okay. And years, after years, you can put full stop because sentence is ending there. So we have put a full stop there. Similarly, next sentences you can see first letter is starting with capital letter and it is ending with a full stop. Okay, students, have you understood what we have learned in module number 1 and module number 2, students? Okay, students, with this, we complete our revision of module number 1 and module number 2. Okay, students, that's all for today, students.